everyone, I'm Bista and today I'm here with my friend
Ronisha.
So today we are here to find H.C.F using division method. So my friend Ronisha is here to explain today's activity.
So we have two digits number and the materials are division sticks and some circles with some numbers.
So now let's begin.
So here we're gonna take two numbers 10 and 20. So we're gonna find SCF of this number. So we're gonna put division bracket, and 20 is greater than 10, so this is our dividend and this is our divisor. So 10 times 2 is 20, so here we're gonna put 2 and 20. So our remainder is 0. So 10 is the SCF because our remainder is 0.
So let's take two numbers 18 and 22. So we are gonna take the HCF of these two numbers, division bracket, 22 as the dividend and 18 as the divisor. So 8 in 1 is 18 minus, so the answer will be 4. So now let's divide again. So let's put the same number here again, 18. So 4 is 16 minus sign this, it's 2. So let's put the same number again right here. So 8 is 16 minus sign again here, and 0. So our HCF is 2.
So here are three numbers 14, 16 and 12. So we're gonna find out SCF of these three numbers. So we're gonna put 14 as our dividend and 12 as our divisor. So minus sign and 2. So again our division bracket and 12 and 6, 12 minus sign, and our this remainder is 0. So the SCF of 12 and 14 is 2. So here we're gonna put 2, and 2 times 8 is 16, and minus sign, and our remainder is 0. So the SCF of 12, 16 and 14 is 2.
Thank you everyone for watching our educational video.
I hope you like it, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.